Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English Elixir. This is a channel for all to learn to speak English naturally and spontaneously. Now I'm in close touch with the nature. Here I'm walking up Village Road again. As you know, my channel will expose the beauty lying hidden in rusticity. And of course, today nothing exceptional. Just you will watch the village beauty and get allured by the beauty being expanded here, being given away by the nature. Here you are watching, the nature is very bountiful. How bounteous everything here to fill the heart of human beings. If you have any sorrow, any pain in your mind, of course, that will be dissipated with the touch of the serenity and tranquility availably found here. This is a nice road you are watching. You are watching both sides of the road are filled with trees and trees. Actually, this is the forestation program of this country. There are forest lands and being planted with different trees here. How beautiful this area is you are watching everywhere. It is rainy season. Already you are watching some water there. Everything is flickering with great smile because they've got the vitality back. Already you've known this year summer has been a little prolongated and plants were parched. They were looking forward to drinking water from the source of rain. Only rain can revitalize everything, plants and animals, even human beings. Look at the soil. Soil is macerated. How soft the soil is. They are shooting a smile. They are smiling at me. It's a very reposeful area. That means very lonely area. And houses are sporadically located in this area. You won't find densely populated houses here. A little farther you are watching mother cow and calf. The calf is sulking there. Some vehicles also flying through this road. Look at the water logging there on my left side because the rains have started. The rains have set in. Look at the green leaves of the trees. As you know, summer and rainy season go hand in hand. So we are watching now a huge radiation of sunshine. The roads are being lightened with the huge sunshine. I know as you are watching this area, you are being allured by the beauty, by the comeliness of this area. It's a must for any human being to feel tempted to visit this area. The area is stuffed with different trees. How beautiful this area is. Look, the whole area is teeming with green trees and plants. A person is there trimming the shrubs beside his land. That means almond period is very near. For this region they are trying to make the land, and after a few months, if you visit this area, you will find the whole area is filled with green paddies. I am moving the camera around. You are watching another field on my right. Also the similar picture. How beautiful It's a shimmering expanse of green beauty. Look at the blue sky. The sky isn't fully blue, and we are watching cotton-like clouds. They are floating on the sky. How beautiful the scenery is. This area is full of tranquility and serenity. Loneliness has occupied this area. Gentle breeze is blowing as you are watching the flicker in the leaves of the trees. They are just smiling with me. I am fully communed with the nature. If you come here, you will come to understand the language of the plants. They will talk to you. They will show you the way. They will guide you to the destination you are desiring for. A little further, you are watching some big trees there. I don't know the names. How beautiful this area is. How densely planted this area is. Look at the bamboo thickets there. Bamboo thickets reminds us of our childhood play like bow and peep. Many children played bow and peep in the bamboo thickets. Still now, bamboo thickets are very important, very pleasurable location for the village children. They try to climb the bamboo and enjoy utmost delight. This is the part of family education in the rural area. A village house, very nice, at a little distance. This paved road has gone through this greenery. At a distance, little distance, you are watching lemon garden there. Lemon is a availably found fruit item in this area, and this is the season of rains, and for this season you will get them at a cheaper rate than ever. Dear viewers, you've noticed this area is very desolate. The movement of people and vehicles is very thin and slim, very slim. But look at the beauty. The whole area is under the umbrella of green plants. If you come here, you won't be anyway propelled to go back. Just you will try to keep in touch with the green beauties of this area. How beautiful! I can't describe in words. This is not the matter of expensive beauty, but they are surpassing, exceeding in all respects. Dear viewers, I'm gonna terminate the video. Before termination, my request is being placed to you to subscribe to the channel, to like and share the content of the video, so that everybody can be the swim to learn to speak English naturally and spontaneously. That's all for today. Bye bye.